Assalamu alaikum and hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Farwat's Kitchen. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly consider subscribing and hit the notification bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. In this video I will show you how to cook these tasty chapatis. So the ingredients are as follow: 3 full cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of ghee, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, and 2 teaspoons of sugar and water. So we'll start by melting the ghee. And now add all the dry ingredients into the flour and mix well. And then add the melted ghee. And ensure the ghee is not very hot. You want it hot but not very hot. So you'll add the melted ghee and then mix. You can start by mixing with a spoon because it's hot, and then later you can use your hands so that you can break the lumps easily using your hands. So you'll keep on breaking the lumps that were formed as a result of adding the melted ghee. So you'll keep on breaking the lumps, and after you're done, you'll add lukewarm water. Ensure your water is not very hot. You just want it lukewarm. So you'll add water and keep on mixing until you get a very soft dough. As you can see, the dough is almost ready, so you'll keep on kneading until it's very well kneaded. As you can see, the dough is very soft now. And this is how you want your dough to be. This softness, this kind of softness. It shouldn't be very soft like that of scones. This softness is enough. So after the dough is done, you'll now cover it up using a cling film or a nylon and leave it for around 1 hour to 4 hours. But the longer you leave it, the better. So you'll keep your dough and leave it for 1 to 4 hours. 1 hour to 4 hours. So here is the dough after 4 hours. Okay, I left mine for around 4 hours. As you can see, it has softened even more. So it's now time to make balls. So you'll make medium-sized balls, but make sure the balls are not very big nor very small. But it will also depend with the size of chapatis that you want. But with the amount of flour that I have used, then six chapatis are okay. They'll be of a good size. So you'll keep on making your balls. And as you can see, this first ball is very big. I came to realize later that this ball is very big, and I reduced it. So as I've said, you'll just make 6 balls out of this amount of flour. So after you're done making the balls, you'll take one ball and roll. And then we'll apply ghee and roll. I think the steps are very clear, so I won't do much of the talking. So you'll see each step. And if there's a step that you won't understand, then you can just ask in the comment section, and I will explain more, or I will answer your questions. So after you're done rolling all the chapatis, you'll cover them up and leave them for around 10 minutes. So after leaving them for some times, now uncover them and now start making tabaki. Okay, tabaki is making layers. So you'll now start making layers like so. As I've said, the steps are just clear, so I think you can understand what I'm doing. So you'll just roll them like a coil. You'll make them like a coil and keep them aside and continue with the other ones until you're done. So after you're done making layers, you'll cover them up again and leave them for 10 minutes before cooking them. So after leaving them for around 10 minutes, you'll now uncover them and start rolling one chapati at a time and cook it. So after the pan gets heated up, you'll place your chapati and start cooking it. So you'll cook it on medium heat. Make sure the heat is not very high nor very low. And you'll use a spatula to apply pressure on top so that you get a very beautiful color. So you'll keep on applying pressure, and when you get a very beautiful color on one side, you'll flip it to the other side. And when both sides get a very beautiful color, a very beautiful brown color, you'll now apply ghee. So you'll apply ghee on top and then flip it and continue applying pressure until all the two sides are cooked. And after all that, the chapatis are ready. As you can see, the color is very beautiful, and you can serve these chapatis with either beans, tea, or any other kind of stew or anything that you like. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now, and let's meet in the next video.